Today we're going to install this new switch interrupter, which is just the left and right turn signals and the wipers. Anyways, the old switch has gone bad, so we're going to install it with the new one. So here we have it. You can see everything. It just slides into place. So all we're simply going to do is just grab it, align it, then slide it into place. There it is. Let's actually give it a try before we bolt anything up. So there, I stuck my key in. Just get this light out of the way so we can see it. There it is. Sweet. Sweet. And I know I shouldn't do this, but there it is. Sweet. So now let's go ahead and assemble it. Alright, this is going to be a CRVT10, and I'm using an extension just so I could drive it through the steering wheel column. Here are the two screws that you're going to use. So let's go ahead and put them into place and screw them down. What I'm doing is I'm grabbing this magnet and I'm just inserting them into place. I really can't see it down here. I need the light. Alright, there it is. Insert it into place. There, we're going to go ahead and drive it in. Nice and slow. It is plastic. Let's go ahead and do the other one. I wouldn't suggest using power tools. I'm just using power tools because I know how to use them. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and assemble everything back together. This plate just simply goes back up here. There's 3 bolts that go right underneath here. The bolt, or the size that is for the socket, it is a 732s. There it is. So let's go ahead and tie those up and just go ahead and secure these down. Perfect. 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 Now we're going to put the top cover. Here it is. And that just simply goes right up here. All you have to do is just finesse it. Make sure everything goes back into place. Make sure everything is in where it needs to be at. Alright, and after you have everything nice and good the way it's supposed to be, nice and sealed, everything's not moving, just go ahead and put this little rubber garment just in here. This one you're gonna have to work into. Alright, and there it is. Everything is back into place. Everything's nice and solid. Let's give it another try. Super hot in here. Sweet. Fantastic. Oh, my beams are working too. Forgot to try that. Sweet. Everything is nice and functional. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.